Most of the people spend hours every week by writing LinkedIn posts. Over the last few days, I built a complete LinkedIn post generation stack using the Cloud Artifact. It created personalized content, say hours of work. I will show you the exact how I built it and I made and final product working in the lab. So first, I open the chat GPT and I'm describing like what I am and which type of personalization cloud artifact I want. So I'm like, I am a founder and I want like build in public like this. So it giving like option like which feature should add. So yeah, you can see. So it give the like proof one, failure one, like 2 to 3 post idea to add in our cloud artifact and all. So yeah. So I give the another prompt like give me the I'm a solo founder personal LinkedIn use cloud artifact for post and option like I am. So this is for me for my personal use. So if you are like student who wanted to like get internship in LinkedIn and also you give a different prompt to like for personalized use. So I wanted like internship and also give me the what features should add in the to get the better position also you add this type of prompt to get a better result and also I'm like solo founder and I want the users and all so that's why I'm giving this type of prompt so which type of need you want give the prompt like that only so it will give the better results for all so you can see it give me the like, content idea and future what uh, type of thing you're supposed to add like content type it giving the idea to what to add and all so yeah you can see and it's giving like hook style and all to add. This is the option of post with giving various features to add to build a better post. That was the whole thing is giving. So you supposed to choose which one you want and which not, depending on you. So this is giving like CT and audience target and all. So that was a great thing. I have only 4 audience like SaaS founders and solo founders. So that was you are better to target that only and giving the advanced options anti-LinkedIn filter and all. First of all, in this, it does not need any API key and all. We building like copy-paste format, like it, it selected the 5 to 3 option and it generated the post. API, it created like API have pricing of LinkedIn also, and it takes time to get a LinkedIn API and all. So copy-paste is a better option to describe which type of post you want, and it will generate automatically. So that was the whole thing. So yeah. So I give another prompt like I want to add the feature like Cloud Artifact design. So I will giving the A to Z prompt. So it will be generated prompt to Cloud Artifact to with just copy and paste. It generated the complete styles what we want personalization as. So I am giving this is a feature is good. So I'm giving like add all this feature and give the copy paste format in one thing. So it will be make a professional prompt to does not get any error and all. And I'm adding also the most important thing like human tone. So human tone like it will generate post by human feels. It does not sound like AI. If you sound like AI, it will be like in an error was happening because in LinkedIn there is a lot of system then all if we crack that you're making the post with AI and all so it create a error so I've added a sound like human and all so you can see it will be generated a food cloud artifact prompt giving the exact step like step one user input what happens so it will give the complete detailed prompt so yeah you first you're supposed to analyze what you want it's already there or not if not there then you could get add feature and all and we can rebuild that also so you can see so we open the cloud artifact means the normal cloud and we open the desktop version first of all we already built it like job scraper and all in previous video so this is the like LinkedIn it gives the job finder and all. I already making the video. If you want, you can watch in the I button. And second one is like I make the video of X and all. The X automation was there. So it make it a post what you want for X. So that was the whole thing I built it in the video. So that 2 videos already generated related to cloud artifact and all. So in and first important thing, you're supposed to download the desktop version to use this, not a normal UI website you can use. So desktop version is very important to use the cloud artifact, and this is the free version, not paid version. So that was a great thing. And like you can use co-work and all, they have paid plans. So that was the whole thing. And I forgot, like I wanted to add another feature like the color of the SaaS and the name of my company and all. So I'm giving the prompt like color, what color I want. So I want like blue. So I giving the prompt like make the stash UI blue, and the name of the stash would be the our name, the founder arc, it's LinkedIn. So yeah, that was the whole thing, and it regenerated the prompt totally for Cloud Artifact. Make sure by building the prompt, supposed to add the thing like do not change anything and add this feature. If it does not add, it creates some little bit of change and all. So that was the whole small point you're supposed to do. So I does not apply that, but if you're doing like does not change the feature, so you're supposed to add this feature, it is better. So I copy and paste on the cloud artifact version. So we're supposed to select the app and website one and paste our whole prompt for building the personalized app. So we can see it started generating. So it takes time to build. So wait some minutes. Let's see if it's able to work or not perfectly. You can also upgrade your cloud. Like I think the $20 month plan was there, so you can use the better use. So you can see it generated completely. So I want like first UI and all. So I get a recreate a prompt. So yeah. So you can see I added a prompt like make a prompt to cloud to add this feature as the option, and there has the option first ever. So I think the backend option was not working, so I'm giving the prompt like fix that all. So he give me another final prompt. So you can see it open and all, so it's working perfectly. Like the UI or option was good. Let's see if it's able to generate a result or not. So that was the whole thing. So you can see it giving the option like content type and all. So we take the hook optional type and hook style like and storytelling of clean optimization and words, how many words you want, and is giving the number of posts. So it only have five, 1353 options and CTA type what we want and this is the audience selection and all. So how much you personalize the quality of the post become very good. So that was a great thing. And proof input and all. So I does not want this proof input and all. Just have two optional features. So what I do, remove this feature like proof input. Just do the prompt and it will be remove all the feature and all. So first I will add the dark theme and in the UI and all. So like I give the option like in CTA add the option and make in the dark mode. So it look more attractive and all and post more now. So I supposed to give the option like 1 to 20. So there is a post option like you can only generate 1, 2, 3, 5, 3 option only there. So I want like 1 to 20 options. So I give him like add the feature and prompt and all. So that was the whole thing I added 2 to 3 features. So let's see it's able to generate or not. And in the last, I added like the SaaS would look more professional now. So that was the basic thing supposed to add. And so you can see it regenerated. And this all was doing with free plan only. We does not have any paid version. So you can generate the artifact in free plan. So yeah, just a reminder. So you can see it's looking very good and it's the dark theme was applied perfectly. And yeah, the what I feature was add and it's working perfectly. Like I first generated a prompt, what type of post and I want, and this feature was added perfectly. And this is the post for content type and all. So yeah, that system was already there. There's not any error should happen. So yeah, that was a good thing. And let's see if it's able to generate a post or not. That was the whole motive. And you can see the 1 to 20 post option was come. In previous, only like 1, 3, 5 option was there. You can generate a 1, 3, and 5. It and I change it. And you can see the CTA type was also have the more options. If you want, you can also remove the option by just taking screenshot of the what does not want the feature and just have to like remove this feature. So it remove. And you can see the generating button was not working. So you can get a new one another glitch. So what we have to do, like giving the prompt like the not working. So it not exactly build the total perfect product. It have a little bit of error. You're supposed to analyze and change. In paid version, you can if you use the max and you selected the better option like better cloud and you can does not get have any errors. That was the whole thing. So in free version, like little bit of error was happening. That was common. So like I giving the prompt like size is not able to generate post. The generate post button was not working. So yeah, then the count. Let's see. Our button was working perfectly and all. So I'm just figuring out. Just taking any of random option. Let's see generate post was working. It's thinking and let's see if it's able to generate or not. Let's click another time it's able to work or not. Not work, then we need to again a prompt to fix the issue. So yeah, it's not working. So that was the whole thing. Was supposed to do like we can see the error was showing up. So I randomly take the screenshot of what the error was happening and fastly I fix the issue. So I just pasted the screenshot and not working and all. So let's see if it's able to work or not. We'll get another prompt to fix the issue. But the 80% the thing was done perfectly. You just have to like generating post and all. So all options were working perfectly. But yeah, there is error of generating post. If it's done, then the whole software was ready perfectly for your personalized use. So yeah, it's configured. Let's recheck. So yeah, another page was come waiting for your post. Let's see if it's able to generate or not. So yeah, you can see the post was generated perfectly and it's giving like score also the quality score and CT about how it worked by after uploading and all. So that was a great thing. So you can see the refining output and also what give the output if you posted this on LinkedIn. So that was a great thing. So yeah, you can see the post was also very good. I have 90 days to 10K and that's what I added in the prompt. It's already working. So let's add the future, like whenever we click, it's directly open the LinkedIn and able to post. So I'm giving the prompt like post add a LinkedIn option, means after the post generation I directly open the LinkedIn with one click. So that was the thing. So it totally build the complete workflow. So yeah, building like fast, it's able to work. So yeah, the thing was ready. So you can see the LinkedIn option was there. So I just copy and you can see you can open the LinkedIn. So yeah, my site was working perfectly. So this is my whole account and I pasted the complete thing, post, and you can see just posts. So yeah, the post was live successfully. So you can see you can definitely build a complete site and you can see the post was uploaded. That was the whole thing in the video. So yeah, you can build it the complete structure to backend with just a prompt in with Cloud Artifact. So that was the great thing. So if you want, like, you can build anything in the Cloud Artifact one.